In botany, a fruit is the seed-bearing structure in flowering plants formed from the ovary after flowering. Fruits are essential for seed dissemination in angiosperms, or flowering plants. Edible fruits have evolved to propagate through human and animal movement, creating a symbiotic relationship. This relationship aids seed dispersal and provides nutrition. Fruits like apples and pomegranates hold significant cultural and symbolic meanings. In everyday language, fruits are typically sweet or sour and edible raw, like apples and strawberries. Botanically, fruits also include nuts, bean pods, and grains. For example, tomatoes and corn are fruits in botanical terms but often called vegetables. Culinary terms differ from botanical ones. Fruits are sweet or sour produce, nuts are hard and oily, and vegetables are savory. Some botanically classified fruits, like cucumbers and pumpkins, are commonly referred to as vegetables in cooking. Fruits develop from the fertilization of flowers. The ovary ripens, forming the pericarp, which may become fleshy or hard. The process involves double fertilization, where one sperm forms a zygote and another forms nutritive tissue for the seed.